If you want to transfer data from iPhone to POCO M8 5G, here's what you need to do. So first of all, on our iPhone, we need to go to the App Store and we need to search for MI Mover. And we need to install this app over here. Now, in my case, I'm not sure why the name is not translated. It is in the Chinese, but this is the app that we are looking for, and we want to open it. On our POCO M8 5G, we can find this app already installed. So we're gonna find MI Mover and select it, and we want to open it, of course. On iPhone, select that this is our old phone. On POCO M8, select that this is new phone. By the way, any permissions, of course, have to be granted if you want to transfer data, so you need to agree to them. On POCO M8, we're gonna choose that we want to transfer from iPhone, from Apple. So grant permissions. We'll generate this QR code, and we need to scan it with our iPhone. And of course, confirm that we want to join the hotspot. And now we need to wait a couple of seconds to let these devices establish a connection. There we go. Now we can choose whatever we want to transfer. If you don't want to transfer something, you can just uncheck it, and then we can tap to transfer and then press got it. Don't close this window, and you need to wait until the transfer is done. The more files you need to transfer, the longer it will take to transfer them, of course. And let's tap on done. So we are pretty much done with everything. All the selected files are transferred. Unfortunately, apps cannot be transferred from iPhone to Android, so you will have to go through the Play Store and install your apps manually. Subscribe to my channel.